Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 9. Saint Alama Istanbul. Set in Istanbul, this series revolves around an impossible love. Shahrazad, a resilient and hopeful young woman studying in medical school, dreams of a bright future with her beloved Farhad. However, their lives are turned upside down when Farhad is wrongfully sentenced to death. In a desperate attempt to save him from the gallows, Shahrazad turns to Buk Bey, a man known for his dark influence, but there is a catch that she is unaware of. No favor from Buk Bey comes without a price, as the unhappy marriage of Buk Bey's daughter Shireen and his nephew Kobat intervenes with his plans to maintain his empire. Everyone's lives will be irrevocably changed, and nothing will ever be the same again. Number 8. Uzak Sheher. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 7. Syakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of the Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sivilai. Number 6. Birgege Masali, Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Janfiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahir realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 5. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings, Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who after suddenly losing their parents struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy track back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardin. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a scheduled life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. Number 4. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented young chef by Noor, who is now living a luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 3. Bahar. Bahar, 20 years ago, graduated from medical school but chose to be a housewife instead of pursuing a career in medicine. She is married to the successful surgeon Taimur Yavuzolu and has dedicated her life to her husband and children. The seemingly happy Yavuzolu family is shaken by Bahar's illness. Bahar's doctor Evran is determined to save her and says that the only solution is a liver transplant. The only compatible liver in the family belongs to Taimur. For the Yavuzolu family, who are tested with a major threshold, nothing will be the same again. Number 2. Kizil Gonja Lard. Kizil Gonja Lard tells the poignant story of Maryam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realizes they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches, fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband. Mariam must first earn money as a career in the home of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughters appears. Number 1. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin, but when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.